If k is a 3-digit positive number, what is the hundredths digit of k? Now here we have a question. K is a 3-digit positive number. What is the hundredths digit of k? The hundredths digit of k plus 150. So we have a, b, c, such kind of a number. We have to find the value of a. This is unit digit, this is tens digit, and a is the hundredths digit. First statement says that the hundredths digit of k plus 150 is 4. Now we need to think about it, that what happens when a number is increased by 150 units. Now there are possibilities that a number after 150 is added has become either 400, that's the smallest number with hundredths digit 4, and the largest would be 499. Now if you subtract 150 from it to get the value of k originally as per the first statement, it will be equal to 250. And if you subtract 150 from this number, from this is almost 500, then it becomes 349. That means k can be any one of these two values, which means the hundredths digit of k can be either 2 or 3, and that's where we say that the first statement alone is not sufficient, and therefore option A and option D can be eliminated. Now let's look at the second one. The tens digit of k plus 25 is 7. Obviously this statement is not sufficient because we have no idea about the hundredths digit, but still let's just decipher it, because the next step for this is going to be the combination of the two statements. The tens digit of k plus 25 is 7. That means k plus 25 gives us the last two digits as either 70 or it gives us 79. That means the last two digits of k would be equal to either 70 minus 25 or it will be 79 minus 25. So 70 minus 25 is 45 or 54. Obviously the second statement is not sufficient, as I said, because it has no information about the hundredths digit. Now we combine the two statements, and what it gives us is that the tens digit and the last digit cannot be anything other than from 45 to 54, which means now we cannot have the value of k. Now we cannot have the value of k like 245. We can have the value of k like 254. That's one possibility if we pick up this value, right? And the next value that we can go for, but can it ever be 45? The thing is that it can also go up to 345, right? Because we had this range of k. After combining the two statements, we know that the last two digits of the number has to be 45 to 54 anything. So we have taken 54 as well as 45. That means the hundredths digit can still be either 2 or 3. Even after combining the two statements, the information is not sufficient, and therefore the answer becomes option E. Statement together are not sufficient. Thank you so much.